Children, this is our poem video. The topic is Mr. Caterpillar. Caterpillar, Caterpillar, Mr. Caterpillar. This is very easy poem and easy to learn. Only 8 lines are there. I will explain you each and every line. Okay? See this picture, children, what it is? Yes, this is caterpillar. We know caterpillar has so many legs, isn't it? Yes, even though it has so many legs, it cannot walk fast. Today, I am going to share some information about caterpillar because you should know about that. Then only we can go into the poem. So, there are different types of caterpillars are there, okay, which is vary in color, color and size, okay. So it will be in some other color, green color, brown, like that, okay. So it has soft body, it is very soft. And caterpillar has 6 pairs of legs, small eyes called as stomata, which are arranged in a semicircle. Okay, children, it has 6 pairs of small eyes. Their eyes are able to differentiate light and dark. They can differentiate the light shade and also the dark shade. The caterpillar will move its head from side to side. It can move its head from one side to another side at a time itself. It can move its side to side, and it can judge the depth of the whatever it may be, depth and distance where they are. And it breathes through small holes called spiracles. Okay, children, it breathes through small holes. And they are able to, the caterpillar able to sense touch through their antennae. Okay, they can feel the touch. Okay, so it has more than 6 legs. It has more than 6 legs, not less than 6 legs. It has more than 6 legs, but most of those are false leg. It is used only to climb and cling. Okay, children. So more than 6 legs are there for the caterpillar. These are all the some information I have shared about caterpillar. I hope you are understood what is characteristics of caterpillar. Okay, now let us go into the poem. Okay, children, see this. I will read the poem. What has a caterpillar got? Feet that are dancing to the beat. Why when I have only 2? Can't my feet do what the caterpillars do too? So there was a small boy like you. Okay, children, there was a small boy like you. He is comparing himself to the caterpillar. So what is in the first line? What has a caterpillar got? Feet that are dancing to the beat. When he sees the caterpillar while it is moving, how it is moved, children? Yes, its leg is it has so many legs, only few of the legs are moving, other the legs are, it is moving up and down. It is looking very soft. It looks like dancing here and there. The boy is comparing the caterpillar that it is dancing here and there very softly, and it is looking very beautiful to see. So it is he is saying that are dancing to the beat. If there is the music, how it is the music, we will, if there is the music played, what will we do? We will dance according to the beat, isn't it? So the boy is comparing caterpillar's feet that are dancing to the beat. He is saying that for the music, how others will play, the caterpillar is also moving like that, ups and down, up down, and the legs are moving very softly. This is the explanation for the first paragraph. See the second paragraph, children. Why when I have only 2? Can't my feet do what a caterpillars do too? So the boy is saying that the caterpillar is looking like, when he walk itself, it is looking like dancing to the beat, isn't it? Yes. So in the second paragraph, he is comparing that when I have only two leg, he has only two leg. For human beings there is only two legs, isn't it? So he is saying that when I have only two legs, can't my feet do what a caterpillars do too? So he also want to dance like, that means what, walk like a caterpillar, how it is dancing, how it is moving up and down. So some legs are moving, some legs are stopping here and there, isn't it? So can't my feet do, can't I also can move like caterpillar, I want to move like caterpillar. Can the boy move like caterpillar, children? No, isn't it? The caterpillar is an insect. So he is a boy, that is human being. He don't have that much legs. He don't have that much. There is no characteristics and mannerism like caterpillar. The boy just thinking of that, how the caterpillar is moving here and there. He also want to move like caterpillar. That is not possible. It is, isn't it, children? Here the boy comparing his legs to caterpillar legs. You know already caterpillar has so many legs, but the boy has only two legs. He also want to move like caterpillar very softly, and it is looking like dancing to the beat. Why can't I? Okay, he is thinking that why can't I do like what caterpillar is doing? So it is an imagination poem, and it is a poem, isn't it? So I will read each and every line so that you can learn the pronunciation of the words. Okay, children, see, WHAT what, WHAT what, WHAT what. HAS has a CATE or PILLAR, caterpillar. GOT God. Third line, FEET feet, FEET feet, FEET feet. THAT that, ARER DANCING dancing. TO2 THE the, BEAT beat. See the second paragraph, children. WHYY WHYY WHYY. The second line, WHEN when, I, HAVE have, ONLY only, TWO two. Third line, CANT can't, MY my, FEET feet, DO do. Fourth line, WHAT what, a, CATE or PILLARS, caterpillars, do, DO do, TOO two. I hope you all understood the pronunciation, how to pronounce the words, isn't it? This is very easy poem. Yes, no, children? It is very easy to understand also. I hope you understood the poem very well, and we will meet in the next video class. Okay, children? Thank you.